Bigay ko. Isa ko, sagunin ko.
Ito kasi ano eh.
Sa'yo yan. Bigay ko yung ano ko, makikira.
Si Ariel din ang mag-manage ng ano mo, electrical.
O hindi, pupunta ako dito.
Ikaw na.
Pag-uusapan namin yung ano.
Oh, yeah.
Parang yung ano, once a week.
Yeah.
Magkakaroon kami ng meeting.
Huddle mo.
Yung execution ng mga project.
Okay.
Tapos, iwanan ko, monitor ko na lang by phone.
Okay. O kaya video.
Okay, video. Yan. Video.
That's
Ito
very
na,
important.
Ako, video call.
Sige.
Subukan mo ko. Ako itatry ko rin. Yung Rhode Island chicken. Mga pula. Red Rhode Island chicken. Umpisa mo muna dalawa. Bahala ko nakasalo na dalawa. Wala ka sa magsigan.
Ako magsirahan. Hey, good morning guys. It's May 26. This is what we have done so far. Last week they have poured concrete on the lower part of this column, and then they use the same form and they install it so that they can pour concrete in the rest of the columns. Then after that they're gonna start working on the beams, and then from then once they complete the beams, then they're gonna start with the basement slabs. And for the meantime, that is our goal, to get the basement slabs done. So we're still working with the plumbing contractor and then electrical contractor, because down here this is where we just kind of like, it's a little bit more we can visualize much better than before. But we still have to put all the backfills for this column, and then that's where we're gonna put the plunge pool. So it's gonna be the level 4, and then the lanai, and then the stairs going down from the basement, from the deck, and then that's where the fourth bedroom is located. And then we're gonna go on from there. So we're working up from down here and go up and keep going to the ground floor, and then the second floor, and then the roof. And then hopefully by the end of this year we'll be able to put up the roof, and then we can start working on the finishing touches. So right now the weather is not as bad compared to yesterday. Yesterday was extremely hot, and then the guys had a problem with breathing, because they said it was so foggy and they felt like they could not breathe. But today is fine. The sky is more clear than yesterday. Yesterday there was a strong rain when we were about to go home, but today hopefully it won't rain at all. So we just had a huddle with the guys during their break time. So we discussed about what we have to do and what we have that they need to be collaborated with their foreman, so that they can tell them what is needed, because the foreman cannot cannot check everything. So we have agreed on that. So hopefully, and then we're gonna set up a meeting every week now, so that we can discuss for anything, a problem, or hopefully there's none. But sometimes with ongoing construction, sometimes problem. But I told them that safety is number one. But have got to watch themselves all the time, especially they're young, they are bold. No, they're not scared of what they're when they're moving, especially with this kind of terrain is kind of like difficult. So that's why I said my main priority really is their safety. So I keep emphasizing that. Well, we're getting there. I just wanted all these columns to be able to pour concrete so we can keep working out until we reach the top. It's kind of challenging, but we're getting there. So in a little while I'm gonna head back to Cavite, and then probably come back tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow is the holiday, so we have no work day. So they will come back on Thursday and then Friday, and then we will have a weekend rest. So I'm planning to play pickleball with a couple of guys over here. So at least we can enjoy ourselves. That's it for now. So, heading back to work. Say hi. Hi, be careful. Back to work. So I just realized that they are revising the lunch pool plan, just because Ricky was insisting to put a tie beam across from this column to that column. But I realized that this part over here that was this column, the soil was really hard. So it's gonna be hard, and it's already an existing foundation right here. So I'm probably gonna discuss it with the team, and let's adapt the previous plan because this one is not gonna work. So I think that's it for now. You know, we always encounter problem in every little step. Mga taga-Kitapos to mga to. Lahat sila.
Ako nakapangasawa lang ako ito.
Dimero. Pinsan ni Miss Dimero.
Miss Dimero?
Miss Dimero, oo. Ang tatay mo andito ba? So si Romeo at saka sino? So hindi na sila papasok hanggang bukas? Oh, sige. Dadating na rin kasi ang misis ko sa next week. Kaya so bali ito yung aming master's bedroom tayo. Itong taas. Ito pinaka ng ground floor. So bali ito yung pinaka floor namin ng ground floor. Tapos sa second floor doon.
Sabihin niya yung paligid na hindi lalagyan ng ano yan.
Ng
Pader.
ng pader. Anong pader? Hindi lalagyan.
Ha?
Ano to? Ito hanggang dito. Nasaan na ba?
Yung gilid na yun.
Hindi doon lang. Sa baba. Yung fence.
Naman yan.
Hindi. Yung mga espiritu mo, saan dadaan nyo? Maraming dadaanan. Saan madadaan yung espiritu?
Ay, kabibilib mo lang dyan, maraming puno.
Oo. Kaya nga hindi ako takot sa landslide.
Protektado ka ng mga puno na yun.
Oo. Saka tingin mo sa tigas ng lupa dito, hindi siya magla-landslide. Tsaka lalaki ng pundasyon yan. Tsaka nakatali lahat yan. O ito puro tie beam siya, no?
Kasi kapag ka bang ilalim eh, nahukok kahit pa yun ay nakapundot.
Hindi siya maano ng tubig. Tapos ang drainage namin dito, nakaano lahat. Dito tayo sa baba. Uy. Delikado lang. Oop. So Rani, ipatay mo. Yung area yung gusto kong tanan ng mga dwarf coconut. Tapos ito pababayaan ko. Tapos yung aking plunge pool hanggang din eh.
Ang pinakamagandang itanim mo dyan, mahogany.
Puno?
Oo, mahogany.
Anin mo naman mahogany.
Ang mahogany sa loob ng 10 years, maaano mo na yun, maaani mo na yun. Ay, yung babao, ang dami oh.
Ayan pa isa. Ayan oh. Yung babao yan. Ito sila. Sila kumakain yan. Inakyat nila yan.
Hindi kinakain dito sa Batangas yun.
Oo. So ito yung mag-game pool. Hindi ko nahukayin masyado.
Yun ang sagad ng lote.
Oh, yun sa dulo. Di yan nagkamali. Alam mo ginawa ng surveyor?
Oh.
Dinaya, dyan naglagay ng muhon.
Okay.
Dito.
Dapat saan?
Dapat ay doon.
Ayun.
Di nilagay. Kaya yun na yung nadali namin. Na-clear namin yung kabila. Oh. Hindi na amin yun eh. Yung clear na yon.
Kaya Len, ang sinasabi nung dapat ay doon kumuha ng level dito.
Ay doon sa kabila dapat. Ito kasi pabuka yan eh. Yung isa diretso. Kaya dapat doon ka kumuha ng reference. Nalimutan ko ulit yung pangalan. Si Romeo at saka si Demetrio. Tanda mo nga yan.
Romeo at Demetrio.
Yung hindi nakapasok ngayon. Ano sa tingin mo? Ano sa tingin mo? Okay ba? Yung bahay.
Isang nagsuban naman ng mga bakal.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa iyo eh. Ay talaga. Ay lalo na yung iba. Tingnan mo mas pangit yung kanila oh.
Kasi wala namang safety feature na...
Hindi ano yan. No, lalagyan namin ng ano yan. Ng fence. Dapat retaining wall pero instead ano. Kasi hindi naman yan na ano. Kasi tatanggalin ko to eh.
Ayun, ano yun?
Alin? Ay ano yan. Yung sa sewer. Pwede dyan namin ikakabit yung mga grease. Pero yung sa mga bayo ano, doon.
Hindi, yung ano yun?
Ano yan? Sa sewer.
Ano yun?
Yung mga grease, mga dumi. Pwede mong ikabit yan dyan. Kala ko yan.
Meron yung tubo na daanan.
Meron. Parang drain din. Kaya sabi ko, bakit hindi ka nag-aral? Baka kakahusay kang engineer. Kung naging ano.
Oy, Rani! Hindi ka ba nakakadaan dito sa kabila?
Saan po?
Dito sa Magallanes?
Sa ano po
Mas
na-
malapit to din eh.
Sa tunnel po.
Nakadaan ka na.
Pero yung Magallanes po. hindi.
Mas malapit ang daan din sa Magallanes. Pag
Susubukan namin mamaya.
Pag kumanang ka sa Magallanes, ang labas mo Alfonso. Kapag ka naman ikaw ay dumiretso kasi yung diretso noong ginagawa yung papuntang Daini.
Hindi po, yung amo yung...
Ay, hindi, iba po yung sa mo yun.
Hindi po kasi alam mo.
Hindi ka nakakadaan din eh.
Hindi po.
Kaya sabi ko,
Sabi nga ho ni Kapitan nga ho, mas malapit nga daw ho yung daan. Hindi na mo alam mo.
Susubukan namin mamaya.
mamaya doon ko siya idadaan. Eh,
Para-
pag ikaw taga kay tapos, kaya sabi ko, siguro kung alam mo rin yun. Eh.
Oo.
Sa tunnel lang ho.
Ay, mas
Bali ito, mas mababa ng 1 meter ang pinaka-reference namin. 1 meter below the street level. Pero parang hindi. Oo. So bali ito yung dining room. Parang tumaas, ha? So balak namin buhusan na to ng flooring pagka natabunan para pagka nagpabuhos kami ng ready mix, ito ang gagawin namin platform. So pagkatapos niya, kaya inuuna nila yung taas, ay yung babang yon, pataas kami ng pataas hanggang sa maka dito makuha namin tong level, tong basement, tapos magawa ng slab, tapos buhos, tapos poste na naman papunta naman ground floor.
hindi kami natulog na.
Wala pa, ito pa.
Eh, hindi na wala.
Ay hindi, napakahigpit ng security guard dito. Masyado silang ano sa ano, chinet